I said it about shopping wisely, and I shopped wisely. I need profits, I need good products, but I need cheap and nice ones.
Hello guys, wasom for Kwame Chumesinie. Mujidise munyina mohoye. Video way a quick video in regards to your mini importation face-to-face class. Yede shisha so end of this month, which is on the 29th of April 2023. A busy Saturday, the last Saturday of this month, which is next week. My name is Timino. Yeah, back Kumasi Aseda House. Now yeah, the mini importation training. Ashisha so into uyo bia opeso how you can start your own mini importation business. I will highly recommend say open contact number yeah made to screen so now register your spot. Uyo bia follow yeah what this channel. When say we talk a lot about starting your own side hustle. Yeah, bringing a lot of tutorials in regards to how to start your own small business. Me a huge believer Seni Pebiano, you need multiple streams of income. And found that we a student and found that over your full-time job the bia or called 9 to 5. And Tini Pebiano over multiple stream of income. Say a bia bosumena caught newieno sika kakra free herba sika kakra free herba na is going to help you live a comfortable life and a rich life. Obia I want a definition of becoming rich. In case becoming rich na a bia kwa michumi say same way bia 5,000 Ghana cedis bidam account to mo and now me live it comfortable with my family. I'll call that rich. Why do I always say this? Sleepy piano, you need to set aside some money for emergency because life here you live, is unpredictable. And ne ochna unim diabesi wa kwemu, but to me for say now we side hustles now to me raise some money for emergency funds in case of emergency no onhonchro usumi to me work it out now multiple streams of income. Uye juma way now tonyama on the side now at the income bro now you and your family you are living comfortably with no hustle. I think that can also mean say you are living a rich life. And to me kasapi obibi busa say what is a mini importation? Mini importation I know say utonyema free amanoni mostly no be renato free China Tony cheap ewo na o shipping yamano abagana na wo de won faso atosa anyeme so na so aton enya okakrawa. That is mini importation. Ade ton wo he no is been there free and entwemu so da inti buying and selling there is one of the safest and also greatest business you can venture into. A woman can extra there, but there's one or two technicalities you need to make sure say you tick these boxes before you get started with this mini importation business. It be a winning product. Because a winning product and your product be a keke. Now because a okwa kofa no wa beton e Ghana. Product bi wo ha kofa e ko show. Product bi also en kokra who venture into this business, you need to get products show. And these are some of the things now we'll talk about in our training. I also looking for trusted suppliers. I will say you'll be buying things online. Anna, dear, to me, our mini importation is a China ho to bibia ewo Ghana not yet dia bro. You are not there physically in China. Into dealing with a trusted supplier on scamming or no a huge factor. Until these are some of the things again you better show how to source for trusted suppliers. When you talk products in the crown, or how do you bring your products to Ghana? And also your betro baby I'll be to me at Chinese Fusikano, a be friend or RMB, a be friend yuan. Until how can you exchange your Ghana cities to this RMB, now I talk your nyamano from and also your betro. You also betro some sort of platforms will be to me at cheap products from still a year quality platform. No, a bit is 1688.com, a bit is Alibaba, a bit is Pindodo, a bit is Taobao, a bit is made in China, DH Gate, and many more. We are all the sort of things now we'll be teaching on this Saturday at Kumasi Asida House. Into your beer, you want to start your own side hustle, and I want to get into this mini importation business full time now, then please contact this number. Now register our spot. Uwo Kumasi and now Kumasi Potemua. You can always register and join us this Saturday, 29th of April 2023. Ewo Asida House. We have limited spots in Tikaho. Now register. Within the Kwame Chumesi. I'll see you guys on Saturday.
Purple?
Do you like it because it's purple?
Yeah.
Look at me. Do you like it because it's purple?
Yes.
Okay.
We get 28. I guess size 8. Or maybe? Is it just the boot or any?